This conference will now be recorded.
So last Friday, we are able to see like the differences between product, product master, released product, and then item master. Okay. After that, we understood like the characteristics, inventory dimensions. To be frankly, we need to speak inventory dimensions. So inventory dimensions, like inventory dimensions are classified into three types: storage dimension group, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. In storage dimension group, we will have site, warehouse, location, license plate, inventory status. Whereas in tracking dimension group, batch number, serial number, owner. And then product dimension group, it is color, size, style, configuration. Okay. So we understood like site and the warehouse where we need to create, where we can create site and warehouse. We understood. Location, license plate, inventory status. I will give you a brief introduction about warehouse management. At that time, you will understand those things a little bit more insights. And batch number, serial number, with example, we did it in the system. Okay. Owner, I will explain you later. Now, let us understand color, size, style, configuration. Okay. That means product and product master. The major difference between product and product master. Okay. And item type, item and service also I have introduced last time. We'll see that one also little bit more insights. But let me show you the product master information little bit more insights. But you will understand this one related to this product master if you understood BYM. I need to explain you about BYM also. Okay. So all are interlinked. Okay. Fine. Let us understand whenever you are creating a product master, that means whenever you are creating a released product, we can use options product or product master. So if you are selecting product, then it will not show you any product dimensional group. If you are selecting product, if you are selecting product master, it will show you three options in D365, four options in like in 2012. Okay. If you select product master, in release product, or directly if you are creating a product master, anything. Let me show you this one in the system, then we'll come back and we'll discuss here. So if you go to released product, product information management, so product master are all products, both are same. If you select products, then it will show only products. If you select product master, it will show product dimension group also included in this one. Or if you want to see combined together, you can see here. So let me show you from the product masters. So if you are clicking new product master, look at this one here. It is asking product dimension group. Product dimension group. So in this, we can select any product dimension group, whether any color size combination, color style, or configuration, or any combination you can select. Suppose I'm selecting color configuration, someone. Here there are three options. Look at this one: predefined variance, dimension-based configuration, constraint-based configuration. Okay, let us understand these things. Predefined variance. Next one is dimension-based configuration. And then next one is constraint-based configuration. If you have these three are available in D365. Okay. If it is 2012, you will find one more role-based configuration. I mean to say 2012 versions before 2012 versions. In before 2012 versions, that means AX 2009 4.0, in all versions you will find this one rule-based configuration. It is depreciated and this is available from 2012. That means, so in AX 2009, the old version, you will find this role-based configuration technology. What is this means? One module called product builder. Product builder is available. This is depreciated in D365. Okay, so in 2012, new concept was introduced like constraint-based configuration technology, and it was processed in D365 continuously. I mean to say it was continued in D365. So what is this means constraint-based configuration technology? This is, if you want to understand, then it will be more about production module. If you want to become a production consultant, you need to understand this about constraint-based configuration technology. In future, if you would like to become a manufacturing consultant. Okay, let me show you what is this little bit. So product configuration models, that is constraint-based configuration. So if you click here, car audio systems, look at this one, attributes. There are attributes, there are constraints, and then calculations, subcomponents, user requirements, BYM lines. There are many things it is available. Route operations. Okay, what it means simply here, so these are, there are so much information inside, you need to configure. What is this product configuration model means? You are configuring a product as per the client requirement. You are configuring a product. What it means, suppose if you are a lift manufacturing company, you need to configure as per the client requirement one new item every time. You need to configure. You are not making readily available lifts or escalators. Escalators, you will not manufacture escalators directly. As and when an order comes from the customers, the client or customers, once it is received an order from the customer, you will configure as per your system, as per the client system, as per the client requirement. You need to configure, I mean to say here. So that is the reason product, you are configuring the models. Understood? So for each and every customer escalators, you need to configure. Another example like home theater systems. Home theater system. So these all are not available readily to purchase the item. These are you are going to configure as per the requirement. So if you are a production consultant, if you are a manufacturing consultant, we need to understand this one a lot. Understood? Brief information about this one. Any doubt? Anyone, any doubt here? Okay, I hope it is clear. So whenever you are creating a product master or a released product, if you are creating a released product, see released product also, at that time product subtype, if you select product master, then the same whatever we have discussed just now, it will ask you need to select any combination, and then it is proposing you need to select any one, and you need to define whether you want constraint based configuration, dimension based configuration, predefined variance. Okay, now understood, like constraint based configuration means you are configuring a product using product configuration model. You are configuring the product, and then that configured product will be used here. That is constraint based configuration. Next, predefined variance. So predefined variance means this one is very simple. Predefined variance, it is like color, size, and style. If you are going to use these items, then predefined variance is enough. I mean to say, white color 42 size shirt, red color uh, like t-shirt, okay, a round neck t-shirt. So here red color, round neck is a style, and then 42 size or 40 size. So if you want those things, you can use this predefined variance. Predefined variance is mine, like cloths. All cloths can be covered in this one for any combinations. Dimension-based configuration technology means, in this, suppose a car manufacturing company, they are manufacturing car, they are manufacturing like audio systems, music systems. Independently, they are manufacturing car and audio systems. Then, so this car, their car will have so many models. Cars will have so many models, and as well as music systems also will have different models. In this case, suppose one customer, he selected one car, whatever he wants, and then there are music systems, 4 systems are there. In that, out of 4 systems, 2 systems only will be suitable for this model. Another 2 models are not suitable. That is dimension based configuration. So suppose there are car models, like, can anyone tell me models? I forgot now. Car models, any models? Like
Honda car.
okay, within the same car model, we have variants. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Honda CRV.
Okay, CRV. Any other?
Yes. CRV comes under SCV, and we have sedan model.
Sedan. Okay.
Yes, sedan. SCD. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Sedan. And we have Toyota.
Okay.
Toyota Corolla.
Something. Okay, 3 models are there. Now woofers are like, suppose model A, model B, model C. I mean to say these are music systems. Okay, see, these 2 models are suitable for CRV only. For CRV only these 2 models are suitable. C model is not suitable. So this can be done in dimension based configuration technology. Okay, understood the differences. This is completely you are configuring the product, and in this it is predefined. Any combinations available in the market, based on the availability you can use it. Here restrictions are there, combinations are there, but some restrictions also there. That is dimension based configuration technology. Okay, so predefined variants is simple, you can play with the system. Dimension based configuration technology, I will discuss with you once again about BOM. Once if I have explained BOM, I will discuss these two once again with you. Okay, so simply I will show you this one with some example. It is very simple. You can will create one, suppose t-shirts, or suppose t-shirts I'm creating. Okay, give me 1 second. T-shirt I'm creating, t-shirt 1 something. So in this I'm selecting product master. Now I'm using, suppose like color and size combination. Any combination you can select. Then predefined, it will allow you predefined variants. Now I'm selecting item model group before any item group, storage dimensional group, tracking dimensional group. Okay, because I'm using this one for color and size, I don't want any batch number, serial number, it is not required. So predefined variants, click OK. Okay, once t-shirt is created, t-shirt was created. Now here released product variants, nothing is there. Nothing is there. That means not we have not created anything. So for this, first we need to create in t-shirt, what are the colors, product dimensions? One is sizes. So 40 size. So for this, let me take a duplicate. Give me 1 second. Because this will be used a lot in retail industry. In retail industry, there will be a lot. So for that, we have separate master, product information management, setup, dimension and variant groups. Here we know, like, one is storage dimension group, we know, tracking dimension group, product dimension group. Along with this one, we have color, size, size, color, style, and size groups also. So these masters you can create, you can reuse it. So size groups, Look at this one. Size groups, it was given like casual t-shirts, large, medium, like this, children shoes, dresses, something. You can create your group and then you can create sizes. These are predefined masters you are creating. Okay, you are creating different sizes and you can make a group and you can add. Understood? These are predefined masters. In the same manner, you can create color groups and colors also. So first you need to create colors and then color groups. A very simple master. Suppose you are creating colors first. Whatever you want, you can create colors. So there are many colors that was created. Within the different shades, black, blue plaid, so many shades it was created. These are colors, and then you can create color groups. So in black and white, they have created black, white, and silver. Basic colors they have created. Okay, like this, you can create style groups also. Styles, you can create your own styles. And then style groups. These are predefined masters we have created. Okay, once it is created, you can create now sizes. While creating sizes, you can use that one. 42, 38, like this. You can write descriptions if you want. Next, colors. I can click color. I can create red, blue, green, like this colors.
So what's the difference between both these columns, color and name? Both are same.
Same. This is code and name description. Always
Okay.
for any item, there will be code and item name. So this will be selected in the transaction. Both are same, nothing. So for every transaction, for every item, anything, if you are creating dynamic CX, not only T&L, any module, like anything, not only in this one, any ERP, this is code and this is description, name. Okay. This is color and name. That's it. So in the drop down, this is okay. Now, once it is done, predefined variance. Yes, please.
Yeah, Satya, when you say like color code, we
Yeah.
can give like 001 as green color and 002 as red color, like that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But usually, if you are giving that, see, suppose I will show you, like, suppose you are creating a customer account.
Okay.
Now you are creating a customer account. You are giving like not only customer, vendor, or any item. Look at this one. It is taking so much time. See, account name like this. Okay. Let me go back to this one. our products. So we are using these t-shirts. Okay, t-shirt. So in this we have defined product dimensions like sizes and colors. Then these combinations you can create here, released product variants, and you can click. So you can click on new and you can select the combination one by one, like click new and select the combinations one by one. Otherwise, you can click on variant sessions and you can select the combinations. It will create all combinations. The 3 multiplied 3, 9 combinations. 38 blue, 38 green, 38 red, 40 blue, 40 green, 40 red, 42 blue, 42 green, 42 red. Whatever you want, you can select. If you don't want this one, you can remove combinations. So it may not be like all color combinations may exist or may not exist, right? In your stock. If it is available, you can create, no issues. I'm creating all. So if you verify, these combinations are created. Understood? And you can use this masters while purchasing and selling. You can use this one. We'll create some purchase orders and we'll create some sales orders quickly. In this, nothing. It is simple one only. Like site, warehouse, batch number, the same concept. Let me show you that one. I'm creating a new purchase order. Vendor account. Okay, site and warehouse, you can select here or you can select in the line details. Anything is fine. I'm selecting here. Okay, you can select. Suppose t-shirts we are purchasing 20 quantity. So this may be in retail industry. I mean, it's a retail module you may use a lot. Of course, wholesale distribution also maybe, but majorly in retail industry. Suppose 20 quantity I'm entering. It is suppose $50, $20. So color size, color must be filled in. Okay. So in the go down side, you can select the combinations. So whenever you are updating any dimensions, it will ask you whether I need to update the price or not. I mean to say, let me show you the combination. Suppose if I select here, if I click unit yes, if I click yes, what happens? Do you want to override the following fields with the standard prices, prices and discounts? If not, deselected the checkboxes, click OK. I mean to say, price will be disappeared because manually I have entered that price will be disappeared. Look at this one. So prices, I need to explain you. I have not explained. Next topic is after some time you are going to learn about the prices. So there are multiple options. So from there it will be automatically captured, and whatever you have entered it will be disappeared. So whether you want to override that one or not. So if I click yes by without selecting no, it will disappear because I have entered manual. Otherwise it will capture from the like trade agreements. There are multiple options. One is trade agreements or price discounts, and purchase agreements, sales agreements. There are multiple options. So I have shown you only one, like in the directly item, we can enter the purchase price. See, let me show you. In the product, released product, sorry, product information management, released products. You can enter the price here. So if you go inside, you can enter the price. In the purchase tab, you can enter the price, purchase price. In the same manner, sell tab, sell price. But this is only one area, one option. There are multiple options that I will explain you later. So be remember, if you are mapping any dimensions, then be remember this price will be disappeared if you are entering manually. You need to verify the price perfectly. Suppose $15 I'm entering, and then confirmation, and then product receipt and invoice. So in the same manner, sales time also, at the time of sales process also, you can do the same process. Okay. So if you want to do registration as well, confirmation and then registration. Sorry, first we need to do confirmation as per the regular process. Let me complete this one. We know confirmation is mandatory in the purchase order process. Let me complete this one. Confirmed. Then if you want, next step is purchase order creation confirmation. It was done. Next, registration. If you want, you can do the registration. So I'm doing registration. During registration, if you would like to change, suppose you can change it to, let me verify this scenario. Okay, it is fine. We need to do a confirmation. Same, we can use the same. So registration, registered, and then once it is done, product receipt and then invoice. Let me do product receipt and quickly invoice. once it is product receipt is registration is done, let me show you before this. Once it is registration is done, we can update the, I mean to say, inventory will be updated. You can see the stock. No need to do product receipt, but regular process after registration, we will do product receipt and then we'll invoice. Okay, this you have already learned during these. Yeah, yes, please.
Yeah, but inventory should be updated once we receive the product, right? Not upon the confirmation.
Not confirmation.
So,
I did only registration.
okay.
Registration, at the time of registration, stock will be updated. Am I right? We have discussed already this one.
Okay, registration is something like we are inputting the lines, right, with serial numbers.
With serial numbers also. Otherwise, that I have explained about registration. Whether you have missed the class, I don't. I think you have missed my class. So you can go through my videos. It is a detailed explanation about registration.
Okay.
Example quickly I will give you an example. Suppose usually when it will be used registration means, suppose sugarcane manufacturing company, you are receiving sugar canes. At that time, sugar canes based on the quality, whether it is a thick or thin or medium level sugar, based on the quality of the material, you will dump all the material from the truck to your location. Like thick sugar canes will be dumped in one place, thin will be placed in dump places. Am I right?
Yeah.
That is registration.
Okay.
First you are dumping here in one place. After that you are moving the material from that dumping area to inside your warehouse. So registration is dumping from that one. So detailed explanation I have given, Kishore. So to be frankly, in one session I have explained. You can go through that one. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
I'm not able to cover the entire topic.
Yeah. Thank you. No problem.
Yeah, fine. So product receipt is updated. After that, invoicing. So you know that invoices also. So I hope everyone is practiced last week. So if you are missing, please do practice. See, whenever I'm explaining, it is looks like very easy. Whenever you are practicing, it looks like very complex. So I told you the same thing. Okay, fine. I'm doing invoice. If it is invoice means the financial postings will be updated. So it is like, this is invoice date generated by the vendor. This is our posting date. This is due date. Finance people, if you are like finance people, I think Thakir Ahmad is available, finance. So this is due date will be calculated based on the terms of payment. This is transaction posting date. Okay, this is vendor invoice date. Vendor generated document date. This may be yesterday also or day before yesterday also. Okay, this application is like US based. That is the reason it is showing 24th. Actually, the today date is 24th evening for USA. This application is USA based company. That is the reason 24th it is coming. Of course, India it is 25th. Okay, next, update match status. Past. Then we'll click the business people. They will verify whether the amounts are correct or not. They will validate. If it is everything is okay, then they will post the transaction. If it is any discrepancies, I mean to say, at the time of purchase order, he told me some, and whenever I have received invoicing, at that time different, if it is different price, we need to understand that one later about matching principles. Matching principles you are going to learn later. Okay, invoice is updated. Invoice is updated. So voucher, if you want to see finance persons, you can see the voucher. There will be look at this one. This is for finance, it is not for you. Inventory receipt account at R2, that means inventory value account at R2. Cost of material purchased invoice account, that means material received or inventory value account at R2. Vendor account credit, and purchase expenditure for product 0. This I will discuss later. So finance persons, they can understand this one. Okay, this we'll discuss later. But account, inventory receipt account at R2, vendor account credit. Okay, fine. Once it is done, same process, sales order process. So now if you verify on hand inventory, with this combination, stock is available. Okay, with this combination, stock is available. And now while sales, I can select the same combination, otherwise system will throw error message. So now the stock is available with the blue 38 size. So color, size, style, all are same, only configuration has different functions. Okay, I will discuss that one later. So currently I'm showing you predefined variance, this one. This is nothing complexity, but these two are little bit more insights we need to understand. This I will discuss after BYM. Once we understood BYM, we'll understand this one. And this is for production consultants, majorly it is required. Okay, a high level information also I will discuss later. First I need to explain about BYM. Let me select a customer. Site and warehouse, you can select here or you can select in the line details, your wish. So t-shirt. To quantity I have entered. Now certain, so I'm not entering price. So if you are trying to save it, it will throw error message, a warning message. Color must be filled in. That means downside we need to map colors and style, color and the combination in the product. We have currently stock blue color, blue and 38 color only combination we have stock. So if you select other combination, stock is not available, you cannot do the invoicing.
So Satya, here I have a question.
Yes,
So we are trying to confirm or save the sales order, but we got an warning saying that you must need to select the color.
Yes.
Right. So why we need to select the color? Because that is how we made when we are creating the item, we made it that is the combination always we need to select when we sell the item.
Yeah, exactly, you're right.
Can you go back and show me that once again?
Okay, fine. So let me go to this t-shirt. While creating a t-shirt, we have selected
inventory dimensions. Okay, size and color.
Yeah. So while creating t-shirt, in this we have selected product dimension based. Here we have selected, give me one second, product master. This we have selected product master, and then product dimension group, tracking dimension group here. Okay, this is this one, color size. While creating itself, you have selected combination. I mean to say, while the look and feel, it may be different if you are Then while creating a new one, so you are selecting product master and you are defining this combination, what combination you want. Then for every transaction, those combinations must be selected. Understood?
Yeah, got it, Satya. Thank you.
Welcome. Fine. While doing sales order also, you have stock. Suppose if you select 40 size blue, it will throw error message. Let me select a negative scenario first. I'm showing a negative scenario. 40 size with the blue color. I'm trying to sell this item. Suppose with the $25.
Yeah, because we don't have stock, so that is validating, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm trying to do a post packing slip. So here parameters, in this it is exclamation mark is showing means something. We have to select all. Then it will show in the downline, downside, whatever the items it is there. So t-shirt we are selecting. Okay. Here it is site and warehouse is displaying. If you want, you can click on inventory, display dimensions. 1 second, sales order line display dimensions. I think it is available here. Display dimensions. Now in the sales order, I can select site. I have selected site and warehouse. The combination site and warehouse, size, color, I'm selecting now. So click OK. Then it will show you we are trying to sell the item with the 40 size blue color. If I'm clicking OK, it will throw a warning message. It will not allow you to post because I cannot detect the combination is 0. 40 size with the blue color combination of material is 0. It will pop up a message. 2 cannot be picked because only 0 is available. Okay, I cannot do the combination. So I need to select 38 only. Because I have stock of 38. So it is telling like whether you want to change, like price will be updated. So I don't want, because I have manual entered price. I want to keep the price. That is the reason I need to select no. Then it will keep the price. Otherwise, it will try to pick the price from the item master. In the item master, I have not entered the price, so that price will be disappeared. So I want to keep that one. So I clicked no. Then automatically it is picking this one. Okay. Now I can do the post packing slip. So color, size, style, it's not an issue. It is simple only. Regarding configuration, we'll discuss furthermore in I need to explain your BYM. So packing slip is updated. Now if you verify on hand inventory, it will become from 20 it will become 18. 18 stock. And then invoicing process, regular process. Understood about this color, configuration, size, color, size, style. These three are predefined variants. Very simple. Nothing is there. Complex is not there. So regarding this dimension based configuration, I will discuss after some time because I need to introduce about BYM, and then constraint based configuration technology. This is little bit I will brief you, but not in detail. Little bit more details we'll discuss later. Any doubt till now? Anyone?
So sir, I have one.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, I have one general question.
Yeah.
You always create the product from the release product, right?
Yeah.
If if I create from the product or product master directly, can I use that product or I
No,
need to release first?
you need to release to the company. You need to release to the
How to
company.
release? Can you show me?
Yeah. So if you go to product masters, suppose t-shirt, it was created already in products and product master. I will go to product and product masters so that I can see combined together. So t-shirt. One minute. Rather than here.
T-shirt.
Yeah, we'll do from here, no problem. Yeah, t-shirt. So you can do release products here like this. So you can click next.
Okay.
Next. So here while releasing, you need to select for which companies. So this is a combinations. If you want, you can select. Next, for which companies you want. Here we need to select legal entities.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, we have discussed. Yes, please.
Thank you.
Someone. Yeah, welcome. Yeah,
So
someone is.
Satya, here we created the sales order and we did not confirm it, but we directly posted the packing slip, right?
Yes, yes.
So after that, there is some validations happen because of we don't have that
So
item with the configuration 40, and it was thrown error. I got that. So when it is detected the quantity, you also showed me that there are 20 quantity and 2 we sold and 18 is remaining.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So what are the postings it happened? Can you please?
So during packing slip.
Yes, during packing slip, what are the postings it posted?
So there are multiple options. To be frankly, it is a part of finance. So if you want, you can enable. I have not enabled as of now. During packing slip, I have disabled.
Okay.
If you want, you can enable that one. So I will show you practically later, but not now. Actually, this is a part of finance. It is a part of finance, but let me show you where we can enable this checkbox. Because you are asking, here I'm showing you in AR parameters. You can enable this checkbox. If you enable this checkbox, then packing slip postings will be updated. This one.
Okay, understand. Yeah, I just want to know like what are the postings it's done. So, but TNL, we don't need to concern about that, right?
Yeah, exactly. But if you know about this one, this will be good. Definitely. More knowledge is always better. Am I right? So this post packing slip in ledger, whether you want or not, you can decide.
Okay.
So Satya, as a T&L consultant, how do we know whether it comes under our boundaries or whether it comes under finance boundaries? So how do we estimate like that?
So accounts receivable module is a finance.
Okay, based on the modules.
Yeah, sales and marketing is a T&L. So it is, to be frankly, there will be always fightings between finance and T&L. There will be always. That is the reason majority people, as I told you, like whenever I am teaching, I told you here, module C. That is the reason I will teach some related to finance also. In my whether you have attended demo or not, I told you like this is T&L, this is finance. So usually in my trainings, I will teach this combination both for finance and T&L. So that is the reason, yeah, both batches will be merged for a few days. I will teach for both finance and T&L some topics. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah, I will cover. I mean to say 10 to 15%. You are going to learn finance as well, and for finance people also, they are going to learn T&L some topics because particularly item group. Yeah, yes, please.
Yeah. So what are the modules will be covered under finance? One is accounts receivable.
So there are See, accounts payable, accounts receivable, cash and bank management, and then consolidations, and then credit and collections, then general ledger, fixed assets, general ledger, budgeting also. In budgeting, there are 9 modules are there. Actually 6 modules plus 3 modules, small modules they made it. Total 9 it will be covered. Actually it is 6. So each module is, they are splitting into some sub modules. So 6 are the actual modules.
And for T&L, it is 4 modules, right?
4 modules, yes. Yeah. Okay. So I'm stopping here. We'll connect once again tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. IST. Okay. See you all.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.